Hi there, this video is going to show you how to add something to the menu. So when I talk about menu, I'm talking about these things at the top of the website. So for instance, I wanted to add something in their parents or staff. Let's say staff because there's nothing there right now. So what I want to do, I want to make sure I'm logged in. I want to make sure that I'm all good to go in terms of that. I can just go right here. I can go new page if I wanted to, or I could go into the dashboard and add a new page. I'm just going to go from here, new page. I'm going to go test page is what we're going to call this. Got some jumbled words here, some content. There we go, yippity-doo. Great. Got all this stuff set up how I want it. I want to publish immediately. It's public, all that stuff. Now this is the important part. If we're talking about adding a menu item, I want to make sure we understand a few things. So when we're going to ask you to define a parent. So if I'm going to add this under the staff page, the new page I'm going to create is the child of the staff page, and the staff page is the parent of the new page I'm creating. So when we're talking about page attributes, the top level, the higher level page, or the parent page, would be the staff page. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to select staff. Okay, default template, all that's not stuff I want to mess with. I'm not going to add an image. I'm just going to hit publish. So that's the first step. It's not really going to do anything. So if you view the page, you can view the page. There's nothing much there. Just what we put in there. Test jumbled words, all that fun stuff. But you'll notice if you go up here to staff, there's nothing listed there. Nothing listed under staff, which is fine. I'm going to show you how to add that menu item now. So the first step is to create your page. Second step would be to add it to the menu. And how we do that, we go back here to dashboard. We go here to appearance. And we go to menus because we're adding it to the menu. And then we're going to find our page. So the most recent page is a really good thing to use. You can also search if you need to, but I know mine was called test page. And I'm going to add that to the menu. And that's going to add it over here, and I'll show you how that looks. So add it to the menu. It usually adds it to the very bottom, which is good. And I want it to go right underneath the staff menu. So I'm going to drag it right up here. And you can see how the little outline looks like it's under the staff page. If you put it right next to it, it's just going to add another menu item, which we don't want to do. We want to put it under the staff page, so I just move it over a little bit and then release, and it adds it right under the staff. And I hit save. I've saved that now, and if I go back here and refresh the page, refresh that page, and just waiting. And here we are. If you look under staff, there's our new menu item, my test page that I made under new menu item. I would recommend if you don't have to put it in the menu, don't, because these tend to get pretty cluttered up in a hurry. Try to keep them organized and all that stuff. But again, create your page, and then it's just a matter of going to appearance, menu, and adding that to the menu that you want to add it to. Test page, adding it to the menu, and then just dragging it wherever you want. And I can move this around really easy. If I wanted to add it to a different area, I can do that pretty easily as well. To undo that, I simply click it, hit remove, and hit save, and it will be removed from the menu item.